Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Alhamdulillah, in this good occasion we can meet again. We can talking together about cryptocurrency. But before that, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe and watch all video of this channel, cause this channel was talking about cryptocurrency and that can add our knowledge and our intellectual of cryptocurrency. Well, like usual, today I want to share to you about Bitcoin price. As we know, Bitcoin is one of cryptocurrencies. So many cryptocurrencies, but the king of cryptocurrencies is Bitcoin, and second is Ethereum. So this good topic because we want talking about the king of cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin price falls under 21 key dollar, bringing more capitulation or just consolidation. On July 26, BTC or Bitcoin price dropped below 21 key, giving back the majority of the signs acquired in the previous week and returning to the 23 and $30,000 to 18 and $500 rank the Glassnode analytic described as the week 30 high and week 30 low. A handful of analysts and traders attribute the July 26 to July 27 Federal Open Market Committee meeting and the expected Federal Reserve rate hike as the primary reason for the current sell-off, bearing the announcement that the United States economy has entered a recession. A few traders believe that the expected 75 to 100 basis point hike will be followed by a relief rally called CBTC Ether, and all large cap altcoins snake back to the laptop of their current range of course. This sentiment reflects more speculation than sound analysis, so take it with a grain of salt, given that BTC price is simply countering to trade in the same range that it has been in for the past 42 days. The real question is whether the market will bring more consolidation or another round of capitulation. In this July 26, on-chain newsletter, Glassnode Analytics posit the investor can find their confusion to confluence of multiple technical and on-chain metrics which suggest the peak of capitulation has long passed. Well, maybe just this what I can share with you. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe and watch all video of this channel, cause this channel always talking about cryptocurrency and that can add our knowledge and our intellectual of cryptocurrency. And if there are some requests or some question, you can to comment below. Well, thank you very much. See you.